Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3. Ready to learn more bird names and simple English sentences? This is a fun way to grow your vocabulary, one bird at a time. Let's jump in. Skua 1. It's a seabird. Skuas live near oceans and cold coastal areas. 2. They are strong flyers. Skuas can fly long distances over the sea. 3. They steal food from other birds. Skuas chase gulls or puffins and make them drop their catch. 4. They also hunt. Skuas eat fish, small birds and eggs too. 5. They are very brave. Skuas even attack bigger birds to protect their nest. Skylark 1. It sings while flying. Skylarks fly high and sing loudly at the same time. 2. They have brown feathers. Their color helps them hide in grass and fields. 3. They live on the ground. Skylarks build their nest in grassy open land. 4. They are very musical. Skylarks can sing for several minutes without stopping. 5. They are daytime singers. Unlike some birds, skylarks sing mostly during the day. Snipe 1. It has a long thin beak. The snipe uses its beak to search for insects in soft wet soil. 2. It hides easily. Its brown and spotted feathers make it hard to see in grass or marshes. 3. It lives near water. Snipes are found in wetlands, swamps and muddy fields. 4. It makes a funny sound while flying. The snipe's tail feathers create a oo-oo noise in the air. 5. It is fast and tricky. Snipes fly in quick zigzag patterns to escape predators. Song thrush 1. It sings beautiful songs. The song thrush repeats each phrase 2 or 3 times like a musical pattern. 2. It has brown spots. Its chest is light with dark spots and its back is warm brown. 3. It loves gardens and woodlands. You can find it in parks, forests and even backyards. It eats snails. The song thrush breaks snail shells by hitting them on rocks. 5. It sings early in the day. Song thrushes sing loud and clear in the early morning and evening. Sparrow 1. It is small and cute. Sparrows are tiny birds with round bodies and short tails. 2. They live near people. You will see sparrows in towns, villages and even on rooftops. 3. They chirp happily. Sparrows make sweet chip chip sounds all day. 4. They eat grains and insects. Sparrows love seeds, rice and tiny bugs. 5. They build nests in small spaces. Sparrows make nests in walls, holes and under roofs. Sparrowhawk 1. It is a hunting bird. Sparrowhawks are birds of prey that catch smaller birds. 2. It flies fast and low. They zoom through trees and bushes to surprise their prey. 3. Females are bigger than males. The female sparrowhawk is almost twice the size of the male. 4. It has sharp claws and eyes. These help it catch and grab birds in midair. 5. It nests in forest. Sparrowhawks build their nest in tall trees away from people. Spoonbill 1. It has a spoon-shaped beak. The white flat tip helps it catch food and water. 2. It lives in wetlands. Spoonbills are found in lakes, rivers and marshes. 3. It swings its head side to side. Spoonbills sweep their beak through water to find fish and insects. 4. It has long legs and a long neck. These helps it walk and feed in shallow water. 5. It nests in colonies. Spoonbills live in groups and often build nests in trees near water. Starling 1. It has shiny feathers. Starlings look black but in sunlight they shine with green and purple. 2. They can copy sounds. Starlings can mimic other birds, animals and even human noises. 3. They fly in big groups. These flying groups are called murmurations. They move like a dancing cloud. 4. They love to chatter. Starlings are very noisy and talk a lot in groups. 5. They eat almost anything. Starlings eat insects, fruits and even leftover human food. Stonechat 1. It is a small bird. Stonechats are tiny and quick, about the size of sparrow. 2. Its name comes from its sound. They are called sounds like two stones being tapped, chat chat. 3. Males are black, orange and white. Males have black heads, bright orange chests and white neck spots. 4. They sit on bushes and fences. Stonechats like open fields and perch in high spots to look for food. 5. They eat insects. Stonechats feed on bugs, caterpillars and small flying insects. Stork 1. It is a very tall bird. Storks have long legs and necks to walk in water. 2. They build big nests. Storks make large nests on trees, rooftops, and poles. 3. They don't sing, they clatter. Storks make a clapping sound with their beaks instead of chirping. 4. They eat fish and frogs. Storks hunt in shallow water for food like fish, frogs, and insects. 5. They are seen as lucky birds. In many cultures, storks are a sign of good luck and new babies. Sunbird. 1. It is small and shiny. Sunbirds are tiny birds with bright glossy feathers. 2. Males are very colorful. They shine in green, blue, yellow or purple when the sun hits them. 3. They drink nectar. Like hummingbirds, sunbirds use their long beaks to sip flower nectar. 4. They fly quickly. Sunbirds flap fast and can hover while feeding. 5. They help flowers grow. As they move from flower to flower, they help pollinate plants. Swallow. 1. It has long wings and a forked tail. Swallows are easy to spot while flying because of their tail shape. 2. They are amazing flyers. Swallows fly fast and turn quickly to catch insects in the air. 3. They eat while flying. Swallows catch bugs mid-air. They almost never stop. 4. They build mud nests. Swallows make round nests from mud under roofs or bridges. 5. They migrate every year. Swallows travel thousands of kilometers between summer and winter homes. Swan. 1. It is a large white bird. Swans have long necks and big wings. They look royal. 2. They live near lakes and rivers. Swans love calm water where they can swim peacefully. 3. They mate for life. Swans stay with one partner forever. They are symbols of love. 4. They glide smoothly on water. Swans look calm but they paddle strongly under the water. 5. They can be strong and loud. Swans may hiss or flap if they feel their nest is in danger. Swift. 1. It is one of the fastest birds. Swift can fly over 100 km per hour. That's really fast. 2. They stay in the air for a long time. Swifts can fly for months without landing, even sleep while flying. 3. They have long narrow wings. Their wing shape helps them fly fast and turn quickly. 4. They eat while flying. Swifts catch small insects and bugs in the air. 5. They nest high up. Swifts build their nest on tall buildings, cliffs or tree holes. Tawny owl. 1. It is a night bird. Tawny owls are nocturnal. They sleep during the day and hunt at night. 2. It has a round face and big eyes. Their large dark eyes help them see in the dark. 3. They make the classic hoot sound. The famous owl sound twit-too comes from the tawny owl. 4. They live in forests. Tawny owls like to hide in trees and old woodlands. 5. They hunt small animals. They eat mice, frogs, insects and sometimes small birds. Tern. 1. It is a seabird. Terns live near oceans, beaches and rivers. 2. They have long wings and tails. Their slim bodies help them fly fast and turn easily. 3. They dive to catch fish. Terns spot fish from the air and dive straight into the water. 4. They make loud, sharp calls. Terns are noisy and often call while flying. 5. Some terns fly very far. The Arctic tern travels the longest distance of any bird, from the North Pole to the South Pole. Thrush. 1. It sings a lovely song. Thrushes have clear musical voices and often sing from trees. 2. They have spotted chests. Most thrushes are brown with light bellies covered in dark spots. 3. They live in gardens and woods. Thrushes love quiet green places with trees and bushes. 4. They eat worms and berries. Thrushes use their sharp eyes to find food on the ground. 5. They are calm and shy. Thrushes are peaceful birds that don't like loud noises or busy places. Tit. 1. It is small and lively. Tits are tiny birds that move quickly and love to hop around. 2. They have bright feathers. Many tits have yellow, blue, black or white colors. 3. They sing sweet songs. Tits have high-pitched, happy calls that sound cheerful. 4. They live in gardens and woods. You can spot them near trees, bushes and bird feeders. 5. They love seeds and insects. Tits eat sunflower seeds, small bugs and even spiders. Toucan. 1. It has a big colorful beak. The toucan's beak is long, light and full of bright colors like red, yellow and green. 2. It lives in rainforests. Toucans are found in the hot, wet jungles of Central and South America. 3. It eats fruit. Toucans love juicy fruits but also eat insects and small lizards. 4. It makes croaking sounds. Toucans don't sing. They sound more like frogs or bark. 5. They sleep in tree holes. Toucans tuck their beak under their feathers and sleep curled up in trees. Tree creeper 1. It is a small brown bird. Tree creepers are tiny with brown backs and white bellies, perfect for hiding on tree bark. 2. It climbs trees in circles. Tree creepers start at the bottom of a tree and spiral up while searching for food. 3. It has a curved beak. The thin curved beak helps it pull insects from the bark. 4. It has sharp claws. Tree creepers use their claws to grip the tree while climbing. 5. It is very quiet. Tree creepers move silently and blend in, so they are hard to spot. Turkey 1. It is a big bird. Turkeys have long legs, wide wings, and a fan shaped tail. 2. Males are called toms. Male turkeys puff up, fan their tail, and make loud gobbling sounds. 3. They have red and blue skin. The skin on a turkey's head and neck can change color when excited. 4. They can fly short distances. Even though they are heavy, wild turkeys can fly up into trees. 5. They eat plants and insects. Turkey eats seeds, fruits, insects, and even small frogs. Turtle dove 1. It is a symbol of peace and love. Turtle doves are often linked with romance and calmness. 2. It makes a soft tutter sound. Its cooing call is peaceful and easy to recognize. 3. It has soft brown and grey feathers. Turtle doves have a beautiful scale-like pattern on their wings. 4. They migrate every year. Turtle doves travel from Europe to Africa and back thousands of kilometers. 5. They eat seeds and grains. These doves feed on the ground in quiet fields and farms. Vulture 1. It eats dead animals. Vultures are scavengers. They help keep nature clean by eating carcasses. 2. They have bald heads. Their featherless heads stay clean while feeding. 3. They have excellent eyesight. Vultures can spot food from very high up in the sky. 4. They glide in circles. Vultures soar for hours without flapping, using rising warm air. 5. They are important for the environment. By eating dead animals, vultures stop the spread of disease. Wagtail 1. It wags its tails often. Wagtails move their long tails up and down while walking. That's how they got their name. 2. They are small and slim. Wagtails have thin bodies, long legs, and long tails. 3. They run more than they fly. You will often see wagtails running quickly on the ground to catch insects. 4. They love water and open spaces. Wagtails are often found near rivers, ponds, farms, and roadsides. 5. They eat insects. Wagtails enjoy catching flies, beetles, and other tiny bugs. Warbler 1. It is small and fast. Warblers are tiny birds that move quickly through trees and bushes. 2. They are great singers. Warblers have soft, sweet songs. Each species has its own tune. 3. They are hard to spot because they move so fast and hide in leaves. Warblers are tricky to see. 4. They eat insects. Warblers love caterpillars, flies, and other small bugs. 5. They migrate long distances. Many warblers fly thousands of kilometers between seasons. Waxwing 1. It has soft, silky feathers. Waxwings look smooth and shiny, almost like they have been brushed. 2. They have red wax drops on their wings. These red tips look like wax. That's how the bird got its name. 3. They love berries. Waxwings mostly eat berries and sometimes get drunk on fermented fruit. 4. They travel in flocks. Waxwings move in groups and share food with each other. Weaver bird 1. It builds beautiful nest. Weaver birds make a round hanging nest using grass and leaves. 2. Males do the weaving. The male weaver builds the nest to impress the female. 3. They are very fast builders. Some weavers can finish a nest in just 1 or 2 days. 4. They live in groups. Many weavers build their nest close to each other like a bird village. 5. They eat seeds and insects. Weaver birds feed on grains, seeds, and small bugs. Vegeon 1. It is a medium-sized duck. Vegeons are smaller than some ducks but have a round body and short bill. 2. The males have colorful heads. Male vegeons often have a shiny green or chestnut head with a cream stripe. 3. They make a whistling sound. Vegeons don't quack, they whistle softly to call each other. 4. They eat grass and plants. Vegeons love feeding on land and often grass like geese. 5. They live near lakes and wetlands. You can spot vegeons in calm waters, marshes, and grassy shores. Winchat 1. It is a small and active bird. Winchets are tiny and full of energy, often seen hopping on bushes. 2. They have orange chest and white eye stripes. These features make them easy to spot in open fields. 3. They perch on tall grass or fences. Winchets sit high to look out for insects. 4. They migrate long distances. Winchets travel from Europe to Africa every year. 5. They eat insects and worms. They love catching bugs from the ground or in the air. Whippoorwill. 1. It is a night bird. Whippoorwills are nocturnal. They are active after sunset. 2. It sings its name. It calls sounds like whippoorwill over and over again. 3. It has brown camouflage feathers. Their color helps them blend into leaves and forest ground. 4. They eat flying insects. Whippoorwills catch moths and bugs in the air while flying. 5. They rest on the ground. These birds don't build nests. They lay eggs right on leaves on dirt. Woodcock. 1. It has a long straight beak. Woodcocks use it to find worms and insects deep in the soil. 2. It is well camouflaged. Their brown mottled feathers blend perfectly with forest floors. 3. They are active at dawn and dusk. Woodcocks are most often seen during the early morning or evening. 4. They do a special sky dance. Males fly in loops and make funny noises to attract a mate. It's called a roging display. Woodlark. 1. It sings while flying. The woodlark sings a soft, musical song while gliding through the air. 2. It has short tails and brown feathers. Their gentle colors help them blend in with dry grass and soil. 3. They live in open woodlands and grassy fields. Woodlarks prefer quiet places with trees and wide open space. 4. They nest on the ground. Woodlarks build small nests hidden in grass or heather. 5. They eat insects and seeds. Their diet includes beetles, worms, and tiny plant seeds. Woodpecker. 1. It pecks on trees. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to drill holes in wood. 2. They look for insects inside bark. They eat ants, beetles, and other bugs hiding in trees. 3. They have shock-proof heads. Their skulls protect their brains when pecking hard. 4. They have stiff tails and strong feet. These helps them balance while climbing tree trunks. 5. Some make loud drumming sounds. Woodpeckers use tree trunks like drums to send messages or mark their territory. Wren. 1. It is one of the smallest birds. Wrens are tiny, round birds with short wings and tails. 2. They have loud, cheerful songs. Even though they are small, wrens sing very loudly and beautifully. 3. They hold their tail upright. Wrens often stand with their little tail sticking straight up. 4. They live in gardens, bushes, and forests. Wrens build hidden nests in quiet, safe spots. 5. They eat insects and spiders. Wrens search for bugs in leaves, branches, and tree bark. Yellowhammer. 1. It has bright yellow feathers. Male yellowhammers have sunny yellow heads and chests that stand out in the fields. 2. It sings a happy song. Its call sounds like a little bird of bread and no cheese. Fun and easy to remember. 3. They live in open countryside. Yellowhammers are often seen on hedges, fences, and farmland. 4. They build nests near the ground. Their nests are hidden in grass or bushes to stay safe from predators. 5. They eat seeds and insects. Yellowhammers feed on grains, grass seeds, and small bugs, perfect for country life. That's the end of our bird vocabulary series. You have now learned so many bird names with simple English sentences. Great job, and thank you for watching till the end. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next vocabulary series. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this entire bird vocabulary series. Your likes, comments, and shares truly mean a lot. Let's keep learning English together, one word at a time. See you soon.